The solar installation is not an easy task and it depends on the skilled workforce. In Ajman, the top-rated company Euro Emirates Group offers a skilled workforce for the diversified projects. They are skilled enough to maintain pristine working strength in every project. They maintain diversified skill in every project they consider. They are skilled enough to complete the project from tip to toe. They have the work ethic to every project and they make sure a clear management of solar installation in Ajman. So what are you looking for? Complete your solar installation project on time with a skilled workforce help. Browse https://www.euroemirates.com/ to know more.